mean he's cute?
He better be cute.
Can you show me where the bathroom is?
Sure. So stop.
No, I'm good.
Sorry, Skinner, I had to poop.
Was she pooping her mouth?
Oye, lo que mira, baila, 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 chapaca, baila, 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 parena, baila, 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 baila. Oye, lo que mira, baila, 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 parena, baila, baila, baila.
Hey, yo, Rito. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, I'm not doing anything either. I'm not doing nothing either, brother.
Yep. Let me get 2 Dutchess, yo. Nah, this is stale, B. It's too many veins. Connecticut Dutchess? What a New York Dutchess, yo? I don't want that shit.
Son, you serious?
I'm the one who's smoking, not you.
Hey, pick one.
What the you want from me? They want from me.
Thank you!
Okay. Well, what else can I do, Mom?
Girl, how you doing?
Who the fuck is that?
Hey, I told you stop calling my fucking phone.
Unless you got a couple friends look like you, my bad if my ex try to fight you. Roll up soon as I roll up. Unless you got a couple friends look like you, my bad if my ex try to fight you. Roll up soon as I roll up.
So I was thinking, right? We should have some freaky ass sex.
Ew, that's gross.
What? I was only joking.
You're so funny.
Okay, so here it goes. I'm pretty much in love with you.
Oh my god, you're so hilarious.
Oh, actually, I was being serious. I can't stand when women who know nothing about sports talk all sort of crazy shit about it. Can you imagine if men did something like that? What? Maybelline fucking sucks. L'Oreal is the best makeup, hands down. You really thought Chanel would sell more bags than Marc Jacobs? You're fucking tripping.